here back again for our second vaccination dose. More floor up to go. Let's go there and find out what's happening. Okay, here we are. But there's no one here. I can't believe that. Last time when I came here, you remember, it was full of people. It was really crowded. But right now I don't see anyone. So it seems too good to be true. Let's find out what's happening here. Oh really, I think it's really happening. There's actually no one here. That sounds great. Perfect. So I'm gonna go and try ask the person what's happening here. So we've been asked by them to move inside the place towards the vaccination facility. I can't believe it's really happening. Last time I was here for my first jab, it took me three and a half hours until I got the vaccination, my jab. And in order to enter into the vaccination facility, it took us like 2 hours, two and a half hours. But right now it just took me 2.5 minutes to get into the vaccination facility. So yeah, that's cool. I presume it's gonna take a maximum of 30 to 40 minutes until I get my jab. Fingers crossed.
Okay, I'll check your phones.
So I'm here at zone 2, station 2, for my pulse rate and my heartbeat. So I'm gonna go to zone 3. I'll have to wait here first. And in a short while I'll have to go to any of these stations on zone 3. This entire process took me 1.5 to 2 hours last time. It hasn't even been 10 minutes I've been here. Sorry, passport. Okay. I'm at the registration counter right now. We're taking my passport for my registration. And I think after this I'll be going to that station for my dose, for my jab. Being asked to go to the vaccination counter now. Thank you. What do you say? All right. So I've just been jabbed and I'm gonna go back to the same waiting area.
Do you like to pick up today?
I think for today I'll have to wait like 3 hours, right?
Yes. Otherwise you pick up at the hospital.
I think I'll pick up at the hospital. I can go anytime after Thursday, Friday, right?
Yes.
All right.
After Wednesday.
After Wednesday, yeah? Anytime.
Anytime.
Are you open during the night?
Yes.
All right. Okay.
But
And
better in the morning because this will be under the wellness.
All right. Okay. And do I have to pay? How much do I have to pay for
No,
it?
just pick it up.
All right. That's done. Do I have to wait here?
30 minutes for your own safety.
Okay. Thank you. As I was told earlier, the certificates for the vaccination, they have been delayed.
This paper only in Thailand.
I'll have to I'll have to wait for at least 3 hours to get my. Yeah, I'll have to wait for 30 minutes to get my certificate. So, which is not worth it. It's a Sunday afternoon already, Sunday evening almost. I don't want to wait for 3 more hours. I would rather go for Thursday or Friday, or maybe the weekend. That's better. Another thing is that I'll have to leave my passport here, which I don't want to. You might be needing your passport sometimes. So that's all. That's done. That was sooner than expected. I didn't expect it to be this quick. It's much quicker than what I expected earlier. Oh, I spot Peter. Let's go to Peter. I see Peter. So Peter is here and Steve is here. We've been jabbed 30 minutes after the vaccination, and if everything is okay we can leave after 30 minutes. It's almost 30 minutes now. I feel okay, no problems whatsoever, no symptoms, no dizziness, no weakness. So I'm gonna leave this place now. This second jab was a good experience. It was a better experience than the first one. I entered this place around 3. It's not even 4 that I'm already done with all the vaccination and everything, except for the certificate, which I'll be getting from the hospital itself. I'll have to drive down there.